Say goodbye to joint pain exercises for all ages. Joint pain can be linked to bursitis, arthritic pain, muscular discomfort, and other medical conditions. If it is becoming painful to move or difficult to bend the joint, practice these exercises to reduce pain. Walking, one low impact exercise that improves cardiovascular health and lessens joint pain is walking. Regular walks can strengthen the muscles surrounding your joints, lubricate them, and increase joint mobility, all of which help to lessen joint discomfort. In actually, it also aids in maintaining a healthy weight, a necessary component in lowering joint stress. Cycling. One of the greenest for joints is cycling. Cycling supports improving blood circulation, strengthening leg muscles, and maintaining joint flexibility, whether stationary or outdoor. Furthermore, it minimizes impact and assists in improving joint mobility and reducing stiffness. Strength training. Strength training can help stabilize and support the joints, so include it in your routine. Concentrate on resistance band exercises and exercises that target major muscle groups such as sit-ups. You can elevate pressure and provide better joint support by strengthening the muscle around your joints. Swimming. Swimming is a great way to relieve joint pain because it works your entire body without straining your joints. Water buoyancy supports your body, facilitating smoother movements that are less taxing on your joints. Muscle strength and joint flexibility can be improved by regular swimming. Stretching. Including stretching exercises in your regular workout regime can improve joint mobility, reduce tensionness in your muscles, and relieve joint pain. Smooth stretches that are directed at particular areas such as the hips, shoulders, and knees can reduce stress and discomfort. Avoid panting your joints during activity. Resistance training. Your joints may benefit greatly from the use of resistance bands, light weights, or body weight exercises. Without putting excessive strain on them, they provide a gentle method of building muscle strength around the joints and supporting better stability. For resistance training, resistance bands can be used for a variety of exercises including leg press, chest press, triceps press, sit-ups, leg raises, and more. Balancing exercises. Preventing joint injuries requires impartial balance, heel to toe walking, single leg stands, and standing on one leg with closed eyes can all help to support joint stability and overall coordination. Therefore, enhanced muscle group coordination and balance can have a positive effect on body's overall health. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll continue to bring you valuable insights and tips to help a happier and healthier life. Take care of yourself and see you next time on Sharjah Health Matters.